So I'm gonna toss this to you.
Yeah.
Toss this to you. How are we feeling? What's the temperature? What are some things that you saw? Some lines. So the point. Give me the songs that you liked. I'm gonna throw it to you,
bro. So man, hold on. I got it. So he starts off. I gotta pull the phone out. He starts off. I think the first joint was Brooklyn Zoo.
You know what? I want y'all. Let's
let's do it
because you know how we do. You know how we do. We gotta. I want to give y'all got to hear what I'm hearing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all have to listen to what I'm hearing.
Yeah, play some joints.
To the storm. We gonna set this shit off. You know how we do things. Word.
That's crazy.
In a Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wild lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas all lame. Came up from the mud puddles, then it all changed. Living ghetto fab like my brother named Paul Kane.
Why are you starting that off like that? Come on.
Not only are we talking about elite level rapping, but did you catch the instrumental that he's rapping over?
The Biggie joint.
Victory.
Yeah. That's what makes this mixtape incredible. Yes. And I know. I'm one of the biggest Biggie fans. Yeah.
What are we talking about right now?
That's how we starting it off.
What are we talking about
bro,
right
there's
now?
going to be smoke in the city, bro. Like, he's going to, bro. Yeah, bro.
Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things. I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying. Aw, man, your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around and hating and the dick riding is blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally lift out of her basement is found in one magical word, and it's engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna. Personally, I don't write comments, I write commas. Withdrawals from pictures to pin draws to fall off. They wanna know if this is the end all, be all to this rap game. He's trained in CPR. I'm a whole new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night to wake up their sleepy heads. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said that Jesus did, with the whole game on his.
Come on.
Just when you thought your boy was dead, walked up out that tomb like
not the resurrection of Jesus.
Walked up out that
yeah, dog. That's the Cole. I don't care what y'all talking about. I love this Cole. Y'all can. I don't care for that other stuff, bro. I love Cole rap like that.
Listen.
That's what I love. I'm addicted to lyricism. That's what I love. Listen. It hits my soul different when I hear rhyming like that. That's just what I always love from J. Cole. Like,
this guy, man.
I don't care about the other stuff, bro. Give me the bars. Give me the lyrics, bro. Yeah. I've been like that since I was like a teenager. Like, that's the rapping that speaks to me.
Yeah, I feel like he did. If he's going the direction that I think he's going, the apology and everything that happened in 2024 is starting to make sense. That's why a lot of the times that's why I didn't pick sides.
Yeah.
That's why I never picked the side. That's why I didn't pick sides in 2024. That's why the exact reason why.
And we talked about that in the episode. You can't be biased because
that's why I didn't.
You can't be biased because you'll miss a lot by being biased. That's why we was playing Drake's diss. That's why we played Kendrick's diss, because if you're too biased when it comes to Drake, Kendrick, or Cole, then you're gonna like there's gonna be so much that goes over your head.
Yeah,
that you're gonna be like, no, like he won just because I'm on his side.
Yeah,
a person being your favorite out of the three sometimes can make people just like.
And don't get it twisted. Kendrick did win.
No, Kendrick won.
Don't get it twisted. Kendrick is that's not
absolutely.
That's not even a conversation.
He won, but it's just the bias makes people not listen to other sides.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel like it's a lot of things that can be missed especially with an art form like hip hop, because there's a lot that goes on in behind the scenes and
Absolutely.
things that we don't know about, and a lot of in between the lines things that these MCs be talking about in these songs that we just don't know about. So that's why I don't pick sides. I'm more so on the side of the rapping. I think that 2024 Kendrick, I don't care about the Super Bowl or any of that stuff. Euphoria was the best rapping.
It was.
So that's why it's not.
Absolutely
It's
was.
It's not a question. So what you just brought up though about the biased, he had a line in here. He had a line in here for that, and it was because I saw a lot of people saying that he was taking shots at DJ Academics. It was the basement line.
Hey, if I'm Cole, I'm shooting at what I tell you through that text message. If I'm J. Cole, I'm shooting at everybody.
Yeah.
I'm burning the city down. I'm dragging everybody through the mud.
Yeah.
I'm exposing everything. I'm burning the whole city down. I'm exposing everything on. That's probably why it's 2 discs. He probably like, oh yeah, I got a lot to say.
Yeah.
Like I'm saying whatever about Kendrick. I'm saying whatever about Drake. I'm dragging DJ Academics. I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm dragging everybody through the mud.
Yeah.
This gonna be the album. I'm going out with a bang.
Yeah.